Welcome to the Home Apothecary. Today, we're making a warming cayenne and ginger herbal balm, a handcrafted topical blend featuring cayenne, ginger, rosemary, aloe vera, coconut oil, and beeswax. For this recipe, you'll need quarter cup cayenne pepper, quarter cup ground ginger, quarter cup beeswax, quarter cup coconut oil, 1 cup aloe vera gel, 10 drops rosemary essential oil. You'll also need a double boiler, a strainer or cheesecloth, a whisk, and clean jars or tins for storage. Begin by placing the coconut oil into a double boiler over low heat. Add the cayenne pepper and ground ginger. Stir well and allow the herbs to gently infuse into the oil for 30 to 60 minutes. Keep the heat low and avoid boiling. Once infused, carefully strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer, pressing out as much of the herbal oil as possible. Return the infused oil to the double boiler and add the beeswax. Heat gently until the beeswax is completely melted. Remove from heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Gradually whisk in the aloe vera gel until well combined. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil and stir thoroughly. Pour the finished balm into clean jars or tins and allow it to cool completely before sealing. To use, massage a small amount onto tired muscles and joints as desired. Before using this balm, please keep these important safety precautions in mind. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes and open wounds. Wash hands thoroughly after application. Test on a small area of skin before first use. Discontinue use immediately if irritation, excessive burning, or discomfort occurs. Do not use on pets or children. Consult a qualified healthcare professional before use if you have a medical condition, are pregnant or nursing, or have known allergies to any ingredients. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Thank you for joining me in the Home Apothecary. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to follow along for more herbal preparations and traditional wellness crafts. Until next time, you look after you, and I will look after me.